Received 4 boxes. They came, as you can tell, it's probably a set of wheels straight from Arizona from ICB Motorsports. Thanks to Matt for taking care of me. Should be very interesting to see the finish and the look of the wheels. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. I'm gonna take the top box, I'm gonna lay it on the table, and I'm just gonna set the camera to the side, do a quick unboxing, show you the wheels. Quick specs, they are 18 by 9.5. It's a pretty high offset, it's a plus 45. They are going on the RSX. I know it's pretty high offset for the RSX, so I'm probably gonna have to run like a 10mm spacer. I do have extended studs front and rear, so that shouldn't be a problem to just slide some spacers in between the wheels and the hubs. But yeah, let me put the camera down and I'll do a quick unboxing and show you what came. Alright guys, so this is the first box I'm going to be unboxing. One of the 4. These are the new wheels again, they came in today. Came from ICB Motorsports. Let me get the good old kitchen knife. I was pretty lucky, Matt had these in stock. I messaged him on Instagram looking for a set. He replied to me right away and he said he had one set in the size I was looking for in stock. My last setup I was running an 18 by 9.5 with a plus 22 offset. Plus 22 is just a little too aggressive on the RSX. If you're running a good sized tire, I was running a 255, 35, 18 on a Toyo R888R, and it was just rubbing a little bit. Even with the rear quarters and front fenders rolled and cut, it was still rubbing, so I had to go with a little deeper offset. Something with a higher offset so the wheels don't poke that much. Alright, let's see what we got here. Nice ICB decals. Put this to the side. ICB receipt. Some instructions in Japanese. Anybody wanting to take a guess what kind of wheels they are? I think the OGs, the first original ones were made in Russia. Now they're made in Japan. I'm trying to change the theme up a little bit on RSX this year. I'm going all out. I want to change the look. Let's see what we got. Ready? So yeah, there you go. Some EVO Regamasters. 18 by 9.5 plus 45. And a gloss white. I think that's like the STI fitment. Let's take a better look. Nice size lip. Let's take a look at the decals here. Yeah, very nice. Very happy with them. I think they look amazing. They're beautiful wheels. Came with a little box here. I'm not sure what this is. Let me see. Oh, I ordered the black decals for them. Says on it, Desmond black. Just open these up. See? take this wheel with the decal, put it inside the box, put it to the side, and unbox the other three. Alright, there it is. This is the fourth and last wheel. I'm going to go over all the boxes once again because I don't see the decals. Hopefully they're here. I'm going to go through all the boxes, double check, make sure. I know each wheel has the little box with valve stems, but I'm going to see if I make sure. Or maybe it doesn't come with the decals. Got to order that separate. Wish I knew that. I was hoping to throw them all on tonight. But yeah, I'll be right back and I'll give you guys a quick update. So taking a closer look at them, nice gloss white finish. Really nice, really impressed. Just take a look at the decals on the inside. Just a clear look at the specs. 18 by 9.5, 5 by 114, plus 45 offset. This is going on the RSX. See, made in Japan. Not sure if they came with valve stems. I think I'm going to be replacing the valve stems anyways with some titanium hardware. Actually, there was a box in here. This might be. This could either be the valve stems. Not sure if these wheels come with center caps. Just your standard silver valve stem. Really don't like the look of the silver, so I'm not going to be installing these. I'm going to order possibly some titanium Chasing J's ones. Unfortunately, I went through all the boxes. I couldn't find the other decals. I went over the invoice that came with the box, and I noticed he did leave a note in the section that the decals are 2.5 weeks out. Probably didn't have them in stock, no big deal. Wheels aren't going anywhere anytime soon. I did want to get the wheels ceramic coated, being white wheels. I want to try to protect them as much as I can, try to keep as much brake dust and grime or whatever off the wheels. So I'm going to get them ceramic coated. I don't know if I should put the decals before I get ceramic coating. I don't know if the decals will adhere if there's a ceramic coating on it. I'm not too sure. If anybody knows, please comment below. Let me know. Should I put the decals on, at least the Desmond decals on now? Or should I wait after I get them ceramic coated? Or should I just wait for all the decals to get here and just put them all at the same time? If you like the content so far, please like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know how it's going. If you guys enjoyed, if you want to see more content. And yeah, so thanks for coming along with the unboxing of the EVO Regamasters. Once again, I can't thank enough Matt from ICB Motorsports. He got these out to me right away. I think I ordered them last Friday, got them in a couple of days, and I'm in New York and he's all the way up in Arizona. So I'm just gonna wait for the decals and I'll keep you guys updated once I install all the decals.